Fridge not cooling, the likely culprits. The problem is the fridge light is on, but it's not cooling properly. The first suspect is the condenser coils, located on the back or bottom of the fridge. Dust buildup on the coils restricts airflow, causing overheating. Solution: unplug the fridge, locate the coils, and clean them with a brush or vacuum to improve cooling. Next suspect is the evaporator fan motor, inside the freezer, which blows cold air. Open the freezer and listen for fan noise. If it's silent, there's a problem. Check if the fan is blocked by ice or obstruction and inspect the fan blades. Clear any ice buildup and remove any obstructions from the fan. If the fan is still silent, it's likely a faulty motor that needs replacing. Now we'll explore troubleshooting and solutions beyond the basics for refrigerator problems. Defrost system issues often start with frost buildup on the evaporator coils, which are responsible for cooling the air inside the refrigerator. This buildup can be caused by a malfunctioning defrost heater, which should melt the ice during the defrost cycle. The bimetal thermostat may also be failing, preventing the system from activating properly. The solution involves unplugging the fridge to safely work on it, then manually defrosting the coils. You'll need to check the components, and a multimeter is essential for testing both the heater and thermostat for continuity and proper function. The start relay found in fridges with bottom-mounted compressors might be defective. This component helps start the compressor motor. Test it using a multimeter for continuity and replace it if it's faulty. Compressor issues are the least likely cause of cooling problems, but represent the most serious ones. If the compressor isn't running or is overheating, it indicates a major mechanical or electrical failure. In such cases, consult a qualified technician immediately, as compressor repair is highly complex and requires specialized tools and expertise. Finally, check the door seals for air leaks. If the seals are worn or damaged, they allow warm air to enter the fridge, causing it to work harder. Replace faulty door seals to maintain proper cooling.